Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. I want to thank you for coming to this page and learning more about how you can copy my multiple six-figure business. Now, before I give you a little bit more detail on exactly what this entails, I want to show you guys some proof just within the past little while that I've been able to create from this system that you're about to duplicate. So you can see from the 1st of December to the 15th of December 2019, which is today, we've done already $34,442.26 in profit. You can see that our gross volume is $37,338. If I go back to the month of November, if I go from the 1st to the 30th of November, you can see that I've done $45,035.87. And if we go all the way back to the beginning of the year, let's go back to the 1st of January, all the way till today, which is December 15th at the time of the creation of this video. You guys can see $403,000, over $403,000 in profit. So my question is, how would you like to copy my $400,000 a year business? And by the way, this is just one single account. I've got other accounts where I've got revenue coming in from other income streams. So I've done well over, $500,000 within the year using and leveraging the same exact process that you're going to be able to duplicate inside of your own business. So what I want to do is I want to show you how to get started and how to start duplicating the system and show you how to get started in high ticket affiliate marketing. And essentially what that is it's simply selling or promoting other people's products and earning a commission off of it. So most people, what they're doing is they're promoting low ticket like ClickBank products that might pay them, $25, $50, maybe like $200 in commissions, which is great. I mean, it's great to get started, but then you realize you're doing a lot of work for very, very little. So what I want to do is I want to give you the opportunity to earn up to $1,500 in commissions with the same amount of effort. You don't have to worry about picking up the phone. You don't have to worry about doing any of the selling or telling. I will actually take care of all that for you. If that's something that interests you and you want to copy my whole entire business, I'm going to give you the opportunity to do that and test this system out for the next 30 days, as well as get access to our weekly live calls that we hold in the Facebook group for our members. So what you're going to be able to do is you're going to have the opportunity to jump on weekly with me and really ask me any questions as it relates to getting started with your business, scaling up your business, marketing strategies and tactics. Let me actually go over here and jump to the Facebook group, and you can see that this is pretty active. We've got questions very, very frequently that people are asking. I let people know about the updates of the system. We share success stories of people that are having success, insights, and it's really a place where you can come together and be assured that you're going to get your questions answered by experts. Yes, people that I've coached previously that are wildly successful students, they come in and they help me contribute to the group. So you're not just getting a bunch of knowledge from people that are speaking theory, that are a bunch of newer people, maybe like yourself. You're getting advice from more experienced marketers that have been in the trenches for months and years like myself. So you can see I did this live Q&A last week, got a lot of great feedback. And you can see that right now this group is very, very intimate. It's 111 members. But you can see as I go through here that, I contribute to most of the posts that you see here, if not one of my other successful students that might get, to one of these posts a lot faster. So you will have everything that you need at your fingertips to get the results that you want, to have the success that you want, and really level up your business and level up your life. So if you want access to a system that's going to allow you to earn up to $1,500 commissions, where I will do all the selling and telling for you, I will do all the email follow-up. You don't have to worry about any of the tech stuff whatsoever. Setting up an autoresponder, paying for ClickFunnels, any of the tech stuff, you don't have to worry about that. I will actually take care of all that for you. and I'll show you exactly how to get started the right way and how to start producing potential results like you're seeing right here. So if you want to learn high ticket affiliate marketing the right way, all you need to do is click the link below, test this system out, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.